so glad you are joining us. I am Dr. Reneé S. Anderson, a collections manager at the Smithsonian's National Museum of African American History and Culture. I want to share with you how to preserve clothing and textiles. You may write or record the information for your treasures. Let's get started. What is a textile? Think fabric. Think fiber. Afghans, banners, blankets, clothing, crochet, curtains, dolls, draperies, flags, knitting, lace, linens, needlework, prom dresses, quilts, rugs and carpets, stuffed animals, uniforms, upholstery, wedding gowns, plus accessories. This beautiful slave dress looks wonderful from the outside. The inside tells a fuller story. Hand-stitched, simple construction, pre-Civil War silhouette, and fabric made us smile. This amazing donation came from a family member from an old trunk. This slave-era skirt looks to be in pretty bad shape. However, we are very excited to have it in the collection. We completed scientific analysis and can confirm the fabric pattern and weave is period. The dye is period. Look how the skirt was enlarged. While we were assessing the condition of the skirt, we discovered a small fleck of molten gold, which is adhered to the skirt. Was she working with a jeweler? Where did the gold come from? There is more to this story. What is in your attic, under your bed, in a trunk, or a drawer? This beautiful form-fitting one-shouldered dress is pretty sassy. Check out the shoes that were paired with the dress. The materials used to construct the headpiece are not what you think. Some textile surprises. Graphic tees are not new. Wide-body ties may be coming back. Feathers and flowers show in many ways and many places. Here are the 5 basics. There are some very important tips I want to share with you for protecting your textile treasures. Light can be like bleach in gas form. Once light damage occurs, you cannot do anything to fix it. The color is gone. Not too hot and not too cold. Remember, humidity can cause mold and/or mildew. Beware of dust and dirt, and be careful how you clean. Showing the age is a good thing. It helps authenticate the age of your treasure. You may need an expert to clean your treasure if it is old or fragile. Gentle or hand wash cycle on your washing machine is not gentle enough. Bugs show up because they want to nest in your treasure and possibly eat your treasure. Too much of moisture or heat is a bad thing. Be careful. You need to check on your treasure often. Consider a yearly calendar, or if you have an incident, say a flood or big leak, check to see if your treasure got wet or absorbed moisture. We have been known to wrap a treasure in plastic and freeze it until the experts can look at it. Before I wrap things up, here are a few tips to help you prepare for your virtual treasures reviewer meeting. You must use a camera-enabled device. You must be in a well-lit room so our reviewers can see your treasure. They won't be able to review and provide feedback on your treasure without proper lighting. Speak in a loud, clear voice so our reviewers can hear everything you are saying clearly. Finally, make sure there is no other background noise playing. Turn off any televisions or radios that are nearby. Close any windows. I sincerely hope this presentation was helpful to you. Please feel free to share this information widely with anyone who might be interested in preserving their treasures. Again, I am Dr. Reneé S. Anderson, a collections manager at the Smithsonian's National Museum of African American History and Culture. Thanks for joining our Virtual Treasures program, which we hope will be one of many to come.